And today we're going to talk about not math. I signed up for this thing. I still watch his stuff. I like his YouTube show, and I have made money off some of the things that I trade with it. And the only reason I bought this course is because I wanted the little robots that are supposed to make me money. That's the only reason I got this thing. So I paid for it. I'm a teacher, and that's, I think it was like $2,500 or something, somewhere in there. I don't know. Fancy little robots. I was very optimistic that these little guys were going to make me money. Especially when you consider that 70 to 90% of all trades are actually done by robots and stuff. So I thought, well, maybe I can finally have my own little robots too, and it'll be amazing. So, when I first got this, it said beta up here, as in, the rough draft. We're still trying to figure it out, yada yada. So, understandable. But if we look at their history, when he shows the history, there's way more green bar stuff here and way less of this, loser robots losing the money stuff. I signed up for this, I guess somewhere in December. So I've had these guys trading for the last, 5 months. I gave them $568 to start with. I didn't want to give them a lot of money because, if they're going to be reckless, wild losers, then why would I want to give them lots of money to lose? But if they took my $568 and turned it into something amazing, then I would have given them more. Instead, they've taken $568 and turned it into $162, which I'm not a genius and I'm not the best trader, but I don't lose 80% on my trades. So far, the robots are sucking. Now, one thing that they don't seem to show is you've got the little card list here for your robots. And on each of these, you can delete them. Now, what's funny is if I deleted my losers, they don't show up here anymore. So when he shows you a whole bunch of green bars and none of the losing. Alright, so like I said, when you look at this, if you come down and hit, so when you delete these losers don't show up in this P and L, which is, we can't really call it a profit and loss unless it's like, whatever. Alright, so let's just go through my loser list real quick. 16 trades, loser. 15 trades, loser. 20 trades, loser. Loser, loser, loser. This guy, 300 trades to lose $6. Way to go, buddy. I guess he was just too afraid to swing at anything. Loser, loser. Loser, too afraid to swing at anything. Loser, by a lot. Loser, loser, loser. Loser, loser, loser. Loser, loser, loser. Loser, loser, loser. Loser, loser. Holy shit, somebody made $2. Woo! We got $11. Too afraid to swing at anything. And loser. And we got loser, loser, loser. This guy just went on a reckless, wild spending spree and just did like so many trades so fast, straight to the gutter. He was trading so fast, I couldn't stop him because he had so many auto trades going, and they were all terrible. They had to pull him off real quick and put him back in the shop because he sucked. And like I said, when I bought it, it said beta at the top, and I'm down for experimentation. That's why I'm in this thing anyway. And, you know, I still got several months left on this thing. I guess it's not too late for them to pull it out of the gutter and do something. 181 trades, and he's lost $7. Loser, loser, loser. This guy did 52 trades in order to lose $3. Loser, loser, another loser. They did have a cake one that was actually making me money, but they like killed it. I don't know. I guess they didn't like him and they wanted this loser instead. Loser, loser, loser. Are you noticing the ones that say AI seem to lose more money than the regular ones? Because I sure did. Let's see, loser, loser. This guy was actually doing good. He was up a little bit more than this, but whatever. I don't know. Notice no open trades. A lot of the ones that actually aren't losers don't trade as often. This guy's got open trades and he's a loser. Great. 67 trades to lose me $1.77. This guy, not a loser, but also not doing anything. So, good times. Loser, 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 not a loser. And then loser, 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 another loser, 67 cents. I think I can almost retire on that one. Way to go, little doji layer bot. Well, that brilliant AI, and we have done 57 trades, so he's making like, whew, like a penny a trade. That's some big money right there. They don't even make pennies anymore. So. This guy, start date. This guy's been on here since November. Nothing. He does nothing. He just sits there. And loser, 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 loser. Does nothing. Just sits there. I don't know. The XRP ones and the Doge ones don't seem to do a whole lot. They just kind of sit there. We got another loser, 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 and another loser. We got a couple trading. I guess one of them's up at the moment, and one of them's down. Let's see, closed trades. Yep. They're actually in there doing stuff. I don't know. I guess you could accuse me of manipulating my stuff, but I just don't delete them because I don't want them removed from here because I want to see how much I'm actually gaining or losing or whatever. So far, it looks like most of the bots are not very good, and I would not charge people money to lose this kind of money on their trading account, but I guess they still are. So, I don't know. I was hopeful. I am less hopeful